Hi, my name is Eric, and this is my project for assignment 4. It is a college project for my sixth graders. The end goal is for them to have more of an understanding of how to attend college and how to earn scholarships and that type of thing. The goals will be understanding the cost of college, trying to understand their dream job isn't just going to be handed to them, they're going to have to work towards it and then be motivated to earn scholarship money because, as we all know, college is expensive. The learner objectives for this project, they're going to understand how to get into college, understand which major will lead to the career they want, and understand ACT scores, GPA, and other requirements to attend their schools they want to. The standard I chose was ISTE Students 3D, build knowledge by actively exploring real-world issues and problems. Obviously wanted it to be a real-world project for the kids. Their assessment will be a presentation. They can use slides or iMovie or any other app that is a presentation tool if approved by me. There's the list of what needs to be in their presentation. That will be on their rubric. And again, these are my sixth grade students. Most are at grade level, a few are above, and a few are below. Materials needed. Basically, the iPad is the most important tool that we'll need, and they'll be using the internet and then the apps to give their presentation. Day one, they're going to choose a career. Then they'll just explore random colleges until they find 3 that they would actually like to go to. And a lot of kids have only heard of the local schools, so it's fun for them to explore around the country and see all the different schools. Day 2, they're going to find out tuition and fees. This is something I've added where they're going to list the requirements to be accepted. At first, I was just going to have them pick 3 schools and find out about the cost and tuition, but I think that it's important for them to know that ACT scores and GPA are also important things. Day 3, they're going to create their presentation and project, and again, they have a choice of using slides or iMovie, unless they find something that they like better and can give me a reason why they need to use that tool instead of slides or iMovie. Day 4, they'll present. They'll be graded on their presentation as well, speaking in front of the class, and they'll be asked questions by me, the teacher, and their classmates. And if they can answer those and prove they've done their research, they'll probably end up with a good grade. The technology, again, that we're using is the iPad. We're a one-to-one school, so every kid has their iPad. I did talk to a fellow sixth grade teacher that helped me with some adjustments in this project, doing more than one school, adding the ACT and GPA, and then giving options on how to give the presentation. I was just going to have slides, so I think options keeps that engagement at a high level. And that's my project.